Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Zeus Giovanni, the fragrance aficionado, and I am here to unleash the secret that I have been keeping. It's in this little bottle right here, Laree Fragrances Golden Amber, which is a dupe or a clone of You Got It, Clive Christian's Blonde Amber. Now let me tell you, this is 99% spot on when it comes to smell. Let's do a quick atomizer. Pressurized. And oh my goodness, I had the original of this, and it is, I swear to you, you could put them on side by side and you would not know the difference. Longevity is amazing. Projection is off the charts on it. As you can see, look at the dent I have in this bottle. I have been using this nonstop for like the past 3 weeks. I haven't stopped using this fragrance. It's amazing. In some ways, I believe it's a little stronger and lasts longer than the OG. Let me get to the notes. Let me read them off to you real quick. We got on the top rum, olibanum, bitter orange, cardamom, pink pepper, ginger, bergamot, and grapefruit. In the heart notes, we got dried fruits, white tobacco, tuberose, sandalwood, osmanthus, saffron, orris, and jasmine. And in your base notes, you have tonka bean, myrrh, vanilla, labdanum, patchouli, cedar, musk, and vetiver. This thing is a packed powerhouse of different notes, but the blended together, it's heaven. I'll be doing full reviews in February. Please like, follow, and subscribe. Until then, stay blessed.